We're taking the 1970 Monte Carlo SS 454 out for a little road test today. This was a frame off. Been in the shop for probably a total of about 2 years between making decisions and the work that needed to be done. And Ed was very particular in what he wanted. He wanted it back to factory original. So we did everything that we could to make sure that it was exactly how he wanted it to be. We even put the air compressor back in for the rear air shocks, which was a factory option. It's got rear defrost, another option. Factory air conditioning. There were certain things that we couldn't alter. You can't buy. You had to either find or fix what you had. And it all worked out pretty good. For the most part, it wasn't too bad. The engine was a stock rebuild. He didn't want to do anything crazy to it, which with a motor like this, you really don't have to. It's got plenty of get up and go. You got a stock turbo 400 transmission in it. Wasn't anything that we couldn't handle that was I would consider crazy. Of our test drive today in our 1970 Monte Carlo.